I'm going to show you how to hang your clothes properly, especially the clothes that go from the waist down, like pants, skirts, and shorts. So here in my hand I've got something that just came home from the dry cleaner. So I just took it out of the plastic because that keeps the clothes in an uncomfortable environment for them. It really needs to breathe, and you need to remove it out of the plastic right when it gets home. And also take it off of these hangers, because these hangers really get tangled up and they just look kind of unprofessional. So I like to use a wooden hanger for pants especially, and then that just gets put in with the right color right in its color-coded section. And so the things that you want to hang that are garments from the waist down are pants. You put capris together. You put any type of flowy pants, and then skirts I color-coded within their length. And then I also really like to hang shorts, because shorts are something that when you fold them, they get bunched up. And even if it's exercise shorts or gym shorts, if you hang them, you can really see what you have available, and that's clean to wear.